Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and this video is about contractions or short forms. At the end of this video I'm going to give you a list of the short forms, both the full written form and the short form in front of them, so you can get back to this video anytime you need it. If you have a short form, you're not sure about the spelling or where to put the apostrophe or something like that, you can come back to the video. The video is here for you, so you can check it anytime you want it, or you might find it useful to take some photos of the pages or of the slides, or take a note in your notebook somewhere so you can review them, and it can help you with your writing or spoken as well, because we use contractions both in writing and also when we speak. So we might say I am, or we might say I'm. So we have two different pronunciations for these two, and also writing, we have two different ways of writing this. We might write I am, this is the full form, and the short form is I apostrophe am. The only thing that you need to be careful with is that when you omit, like this case, if you omit a, that's okay. It's not a spelling mistake if you're writing in short form, but it is a mistake if you forget that apostrophe. That apostrophe is important because that represents the missing letter. If you omit that, if you forget that one as well, then that is a spelling mistake. So be careful with that. Do not omit apostrophe. Omit the other letters, but not the apostrophe. Okay, that's one thing. The other thing is that before I give you the list, I need to tell you another thing, and that is, if you are writing something and that is a bit formal, avoid short forms. Short forms are not suitable and are not accepted when we write something formal. Okay, if you're writing your CV, if you're writing a cover letter for a job that you're applying for, if you're writing for your boss, or to your boss, or anything like this, when there is a bit of formality in the writing, avoid writing in short forms. They are not good, they're not accepted. But there are some benefits to short forms. When we write in short forms, if it's not formal, then it is a friendly piece of writing. Or a play, or a story, something like this, short forms can be helpful as well. They're not bad at all. There are some benefits to them as well. One is that makes the writing similar to the way you speak. Okay, so it's more friendly, and it seems like the lines are speaking to the reader. Okay, so it's like speaking. It's not like a reading anymore. And the other thing is that it saves spaces. Saves space. If you imagine you're making a thumbnail, or you are making an advertisement, something like this, by getting rid of a couple of letters, you get a bit of space, and that might be useful for a couple of letters or numbers, or I don't know, a picture, or maybe you can just use a bigger font size because you are omitting a couple of letters. So that can be helpful, that can be more eye-catching. And also, when we use the short forms, the piece of writing is easier to read, and you can read that a bit faster. So these are the good things about short forms, and of course we should avoid this when we are writing something formal. But what they are is going to be shown on the screen shortly. So I'd better leave it to you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.